What's up, Fit Fam? Coach Justin here at the Waukee location, and I wanted to go over our fitness tip of the week. Now today, we've done squats. We had 1.5 squats yesterday, and I wanted to go into a little bit more detail about what we're trying to get from that and how to do it correctly. So 1.5 squat, instead of just going to the bottom and driving all the way back up to the top, we're gonna come halfway up, drop back down to the bottom, and then finish it out by standing that weight all the way up. Now what we're trying to achieve here is more time under tension. You are sitting in that squat, keeping those muscles engaged, your quads, your glutes, everything engaged a little bit more, and that is ultimately gonna help build size, build strength, and get us those results that we are wanting. Another great thing with it, you're getting more practice out of the bottom of the squat, which is where most people tend to struggle. So we're hitting the bottom for the first time, nice and quick, coming up to that halfway point, and then you gotta go back down to it, really feeling that stretch, making sure we are finding that bottom position. Now when we're doing it, something to focus on is extending your knees and your hips, not just your knees, dropping that chest to the ground. We wanna keep that chest upright for both extensions for the first and then the full one as well, making sure not putting any extra stress on your back. So guys, I know we had them yesterday if you were here in the gym. We're gonna have them again next week. So come ready to go, focus on those forms, those tips, those tricks, and we'll see some more improved squats on Wednesday. Have a wonderful day. See you guys next week.